Hi guys, so this was delivered I think yesterday, 2 days ago, yesterday, and I was super excited when I just saw what it was because it was in a packaging, so I had to open that up, and I was like, oh, it's a die and press, it's a celebration stamps, dies, and stencils, and this was the auto ship for the large box, like their today special, if you guys recall. So this is the first iteration of it. I'm super excited to get it. There are not links for this yet, but whenever I do have links in the description box, those are affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. I am waiting on today's delivery of a few other studio light things, so I will show you guys those next, and those would still be available, so I'll have links for those. But this I have been so excited to get because I don't know if you saw when they had a today special and they kind of discussed in the future you're gonna get these things. It didn't really say it's gonna come with another package with labels with, you guys, oh look, it has the nesting dies. It depends on when I release this video. I literally just use those nesting dies or something similar from Diamond Press's site, but that's okay. Let me open this up. Oh my gosh, so it comes with a cutting folder, of course, a long cutting folder because it has slimline dies. And you guys, this, I'm gonna package it right back up in these things and put it with the rest of the goodies. But the other thing I didn't even notice, and I, make videos for Diamond Press here and there, that it came with another set of stencils. So I think I try to make sure to say that, but I didn't know that was something that was going to be included. You guys, oh my gosh. So, split papers here. We have the dies, of course, they nest into, your slimline dies type things. This one has that little rickrack kind of edging, that's what it reminds me of, with the little stitching, and then this one has that kind of plaque ticket edging, really cute. And then this one again repeats from that one. We have this big strip, we have this little strip. Again, you can put sentiments in there if you have a sentiment that's just a little sentence or a little word like this. Another strip die. And you can cut this down, if you wanted to put this on A2 size or 5x7, of course you can cut that down with little bubbles, dots, I don't know what you want to call them. Oh yes, and that's the other thing, oh my gosh, so this is an inlay set, so you have Happy Birthday to You, and then we have Let's Celebrate You, and these guys come out of here, and you can lay them in there so that you'd have that background strip, or if you want just the lettering, or pair them up together. Oh my gosh. And then, of course, it has, well, not of course, but it has that balloon set we just saw there. So, a nesting set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons. And then this is the stamps, the words, really nice, big, sizable stamps, just like in that first iteration. We have birthday, hip hop, hooray. I always say hip hop, hooray. Yes, I'm a child of the 90s. Hip, hip, hooray. Celebrations, wishes. Let's party, hugs and wishes. It's your special day, celebrate. Lots of fun things. Happy, and then some other smaller words that you can probably, again, nestle into there. We have these stencils. So I'll do another video separately about this right now. I'm just kind of going through it. Like I said, this is the first iteration. I've been looking forward to getting these because I really, really love the stencils and, of course, the dies. Look at this, you guys. We have the little balloons and all kinds of different shapes and sizes with little stripes and everything. So that's balloons. Oh, this is very party related. This one is the streamers. How cute is that for a nice quick background? Cute little streamers. And this one is pinwheels. Oh, very eclectic. Super cute. Again, larger size. And then this one is the confetti. So cute. It's a nice big area for that one. And then we have I didn't know there was going to be this many. I thought it was going to be one. Because for me, honestly, I stuck all these things in one package. I do have my stencils separately, but I would be able to put all these things in one package. But sorry, I was starting to misspeak. So they have 4 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4 with the 4 labels. That's awesome. Oh my gosh. Just to me, that's extra bonus. Pretty cool. And then, the inspo sheets that give you a little info again with the, sentiments there. Happy birthday, my friend, from me to you. It's time to celebrate, and lots of ways to pair that up with the different banners. Look at this. Oh, that looks really cute. Now that you see it all together, it's oh yeah, that makes, with the balloons. How cute is that, you guys? And then over here, they have just some images kind of showing you everything layered up, but Of course, you're going to do your layering over here. Slimline, you know, it looks like 5x7. Of course, all that. Really great. So I'm just going to wait for my next delivery, and we'll look at that in just a moment. What a quinky-dink. As soon as I finished up, the delivery man came by. So it's just a couple things. They got shipped off last week, a while back, but the weather kept it from arriving real quick. On top of that, it always takes a little bit longer for the studio light things to get to me that I get from HSN. So I have a couple things here, and then after this I have some items from Daiso that we just stopped in yesterday real quick. I don't know what these are called. So I'll have the links for you guys like I mentioned at the beginning. I am in love with Studio Light. Oh my goodness. You know, affordable, super cute, work really great. That grunge set that I used in my last videos when I was working on this guy. Oh my goodness, you guys. I mean, look at the flowers. So pretty. And I just love it. So, big fan. So these guys are something similar, but again, I thought they were outlined. Like this one is an outline. You can see this gets cut away, but like this one isn't an outline, and you know, this one does get cut away. So that's kind of why I thought the grunge one was going to be similar to this, but it's not. So this one makes like kind of like line. I guess you can paper piece back into if you want to. This one is awesome. I thought this was like an inlay because it didn't make sense to me. I'm like, what am I looking at, you know, on the website? But this whole outer one makes a frame, and if you want to pair it with this guy, you can make, I guess I should say, a mat. And then this one, if you pair it together, it makes a frame. Again, this one makes its own mat. This one has a frame. This one also has another frame on the inside, or a square die. And then in here, it does stitching. So it removes this aperture and it leaves the stitching behind if you want to do that, which is awesome. I think this is going to be really great for shakers. Square ornament frames. And again, I'll link this, but look how pretty. Oh my gosh. And I think I have a couple other ones that haven't been delivered yet, so I'll keep them coming. But for now, that's it. And we'll go to the Daiso stuff. Okay, so let's check out the Daiso stuff. Unfortunately, I didn't really get anything. Well, I didn't get anything to give away because I don't know what is going to happen to giveaways. You know. YouTube. All right, so yeah, Daiso is just in Japan. It's just a store where they have things that are basically 100 yen store, like a dollar store, but it's $1.50. And then they have a lot more things nowadays too that cost more than that. It used to be like everything in there, and very seldomly something might cost more than $1.50, but they always have it clearly marked if that's the case. But anyway, I got some snacks. Like this one says bourbon. I don't know, it looks like some delicious little flaky treat I want to try. And this one also says the same thing. And I don't know if that's just what it's called, or if that's the flavor or what's going on, but you know, I don't know. We'll see. We'll try it out. This one's a white roll, it says. And then these little guys. I love these little guys. They're just little crackers, and they're like animal shapes, and each one has the little wording on them. Gives you some info there. And this is the coconut flavor ones, and then I have like the butter flavor, regular flavor ones over here. And just some little treats. And yeah, I mean, not too much. Miranda, of course, grabs some poppin' cookin' because she loves to get those. These are not marked on here, but generally these are not $1.50. These are like $3 or $4. And basically it's just to make your little, this is actually one of the rated ones that is like the worst tasting one, but I don't know, we'll see, I guess. But it makes little hamburgers, and it has like little molds, and it's food. It's candy, like food. Super cute. This is one of the cuter ones that we keep getting. I think this is like the first time she tries the burger one. But there we go. What else? What else? Oh, some face masks and other little cookies and snacks like that. But stuff I got for like in here, in the craft room, are, let's see. Well, this isn't specifically for the craft room, but I do want to make like videos, you know, doing a little more baking. Oh gosh. So I grabbed these little guys. They're little silicone mats, star shapes, really pretty colors. So I grabbed one of each. Of course, I can never get two that just go the same color, right? I have to do something different. Why is my camera crooked? Nope, that's not it. Hold on. That's a little better, not really. Okay, anyway. Some little cookie cutters that'll cut a little stained glass, it says, but basically it just cuts a little center, and they look like little jars, so I thought that was kind of cute. These, oh, really sweet for spring, and they have like the little sparkle on them, so really cute for making altered paper clips. I thought these were really fun, so I grabbed a pack of each, or 2 packs, should I say. They are the same. Oh, this is from Miranda. I forgot about this. So it's just a hair bow. It's really cool though. Look at the way it shimmers. Love that. And then you just, it has a little pin basically, like a bobby pin, and you just tuck it into your pony. So I thought that was really cute. That's from Miranda. Some fun pens, or these might be pencils. Actually, I prefer if they were pencils. I forgot if they were, which one they were. We just stopped in right quick, so not that I wasn't paying attention, but I remember, yeah, this is definitely a pen. And I think, yeah, this one's a pencil. And they're like Rilakkuma. Now they have more Sanex stuff, including like Tokidoki. I was like, really? I mean, for like, you know, some of them are $1.50 and some things are a little more expensive, but this is a pencil. Generally, pencils don't have an eraser like Daiso or other Asian pencils or places where you might buy something like that. So this one's definitely a pencil. These are all pens right here. Oh, I wish I would have noticed I got more pencils. But usually they keep erasers separately, like a cute eraser or however. So got some of those. What else do I got in here? Oh, this is more for my kitchen, but Miranda loves to eat, whenever I make like onigiri or any kind of sushi, she just wants rice balls. And this is really cute because it makes a little panda. And it has a punching tool. We will see how that works because that's to punch seaweed. But look how cute. And then you just put it in there, you just, or push it down. It depends. I think this is the kind you push down. I have other ones where you shake them. Let's see. Little clippies, and I got extra ones of these to go in like embellishment cases if we ever do one of those swaps again, or like my lemonade TNs. So I got tons of these. Look at, that's what I was saying, little Tokidoki ones, and these are little paper clippies, the magnetic bookmarks basically. But look at how cute. Oh my gosh, they had a Rilakkuma, they had Tokidoki in different styles. I'm telling you, I got tons and tons of those. Little Rilakkuma, those macaron, oh, so cute, little roll. Just, I mean, oh, you guys, super cute. And again, these were 100, so I was like, ooh, those were only $1.50, which is really great. Oh, I did get a pair of long nose pliers. I don't know why. I keep telling you guys, I'm like, oh, I have tons of these guys, like these 3-in-1s. But this one is specifically flat there, and then it does have a wire cutter, so I grabbed it, and it's pink and cute, and see, it says 300, so that means it was, I think, $3.50 or $4. It doesn't really correlate to the number there, but kind of, so that cost more than $1.50. Oh, and these guys I had to get, of course, and then Miranda's like, oh yeah, let's get these. So self-inking stamp sets. See, they're 220 yen, so these are probably like $3. And then the different little flowery day. I think this one is Play in the Park with the same little Rilakkuma, and they only had a few that were Rilakkuma. I think the rest were these other weird things. Yeah, because they had one other stamp set, and I was like, nah, I don't want to get those because they weren't as cute. Let me see how well these work. They're like, let's see. I just have an envelope here to try it out. Look how cute. It looks very stationery, like something you would see at an office. Oh my goodness. Works well. The only bummer about these kind of things, you can re-ink them. You know what this actually reminds me of? What is that brand? Some brand. They made a stamp maker that's not super expensive. I was thinking about trying it out, but then I was like, I don't know. Where you make your own stamp, and it does like, I don't know. And then you kind of ink it up. What company was it? So it's just like that. It's like kind of rubbery, so then the ink gets sucked into just this area. And then when you stamp with it, you can use it however many times, like 50 or 100 times or something, and then you have to re-ink it. It's very much that same material. What else do I have in here? I got some weird stuff that has nothing to do with anything. Oh, I did get some, it says double rings, which is kind of interesting. I was thinking maybe I wanted to go with something like this whenever I do like a dangle for my TNs. It's a little more sturdy, and we'll see. It's kind of like a jump ring, but half of a jump ring. I don't know how to explain it. It only goes around 1/2 time more. Little wooden spoons. I thought these were really cute because I could decorate these, and if we do another embellishment swap, case swap, I'll have a little spoon that people can use to do whatever, and then I can decorate it because look how cute these are. Oh my gosh. Adorable. What else is in here? Oh, some Milk Joy foods. I haven't tried these before, but I know Milk Joy is very cute, like this little girl. This little Milk Joy girl. And so I was like, I need to try that. So these are crackers? I honestly don't know what these are. I just thought they were cute, so I grabbed a few cases of that. And then a ton of these new things they had that were, what's her name? Hello Kitty and stuff, and I thought it was interesting. So it's for clay, but then I thought, well, maybe I can use it for cookies. But it's basically to play with, you know, your polymer clay or just regular clay or whatever. But look at these. I think if I powdered them up, I can probably make them into cookies, which would be really, really fun. I mean, they're the right depth for all that, so super cute. They had tons of new things like that, so I grabbed pretty much all of them. Like this one makes a pancake or whatever, and a little plate it comes with. They're just molds, basically. Like this one has the mold that you can definitely cut a cookie with, and then if you push this in there, it gives you that look. So I make my sugar cookies in a way that they don't completely like melt. So, which is basically just refrigerating your dough really well, chill it, you know, you roll it out. You have to have a dough recipe that doesn't spread too much, and then put them back in the fridge to chill for at least another 15-20 minutes before you put them in the oven, so that way when they're heating up they don't just like puff up and lose the shape. So anyway, yeah, I think that's it. It was kind of a bummer. I would have picked up more stuff, you know me, because I like giving things away, but now it's like, okay. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll have links for anything that might be available. If you're looking for Daiso Japan stuff, you probably want to go to Daiso Japan USA, I think is the site. Some things you can buy in ones, some things you have to buy in multiples, just like if you're going on the Dollar Tree website. Some things, you know, you can buy one way or the other. Oh, I meant to show you guys these. So I got these stamps. I already have these, and I had planned to give them away, and I think I even gave some away already. But they still have these, so I thought, oh, these would be so cute to cut up and cut down and put them in the little cases. If I do another embellishment case swap, I think it'd be fun, because like some of these will fit in there, no problem. So anyway, all right guys, I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.